Welcome to Powerful Radicals. 火 fire. When you look at a menu in Chinese, it's easy to figure out which is chicken, which is fish. But more importantly, you may want to know what is the cooking methods. Then you need to know the Chinese character before chicken and fish. If you observe the characters for cooking methods closely, you can see there's a radical of fire, 火, in some of them. It makes sense perfectly, as almost all cooking methods involve fire or heating. For example, 烤 roast, 炒 stir fry, 炸 deep fry, 炖 stew, 烘焙 bake. However, for some cooking methods, we don't see a fire radical in the corresponding characters. Instead, we see 4 dots at the bottom of the character. Why is that? Actually, the 4 dots in this radical illustrate some small flames below the pan or pot. So characters with this 4 dots radical are typically related to fire as well. For example, 煎 to grill or to pan fry, 煮 to boil, 蒸 to steam, 熬 to slow boil, and 熏 to smoke as a cooking method. As you can see, the 4 dots radical is always at the bottom of each character. There are so many Chinese characters with fire or 4 dots as the radical. Can you tell their connections with fire or heating? While some Chinese characters have clear connections with fire, some others are related to fire indirectly. The word 锻炼 means to work out or to have physical exercise. Some students asked me why there is a fire in the character 练. That is because physical exercise is not the original meaning of 锻炼. The 2 characters 锻 and 炼 mean forging originally, which involves fire and heating. For some characters, we cannot see a fire in the corresponding objects nowadays. 灯 lamp is an example. The fire radical in the character represents the fire part in the traditional lamp. Another example is black, 黑. It has 4 dots at the bottom. That is because black is the color on a pot after fire smoking during cooking. Then 照片 means photo. How does it relate to fire? The character 照 means to project light on something. From the character itself, we can identify 日 sun as the source of the light, and 4 dots as the ray of light. The word 照片 actually describes the process of projecting lights and shadows on the film. Sometimes it is not easy to find the fire in the character meaning. That is because the character has more than one meaning, and only one of them is related to fire. 点 means dot, but as a verb, it also means to light on fire, such as 点蜡烛 to light on candle, 点烟 to light on cigarette. 熊 means bear, but it also describes the fire is big and fierce. Now you know 火 and 4 dots are both related to fire. You can use them as hints when you try to guess the meaning of some words. Let's try one. 火烈鸟. This is the name of a bird. Do you have an idea? Yes, it is flamingo. Learn some radicals and use some imagination. Then you can have more fun learning Chinese characters. Thank you for watching. See you next time.